So I went to a jewelry store down the road. I saw a beautiful 5 carat cushion cut and it was very expensive, 10 times the amount that I had in my bank balance at that point. And I said, you know what, if I'm wearing this ring in 1 year's time, then really law of attraction works, because there's no way I can afford this ring on my own. Under 1 month, Simply Shah, what happened was my grandfather, who had passed away 8 years before, had left some property to the 8 grandchildren that went into litigation that month, and each one of us got 50 lakhs. And because of that, I was able to go afford that ring, and I said, you know what? So when I read the movie or saw the movie The Secret the first time, or read the book The Secret, I felt like if that was true, wouldn't all of us be living in palaces with our own Ferraris? And I really didn't believe that law of attraction exists. So what I did was, it said 3 steps. It said ask, believe, receive. So in the process of asking, I said, what is it I want? I said, I want a 5 carat diamond ring. And they said, believe that you're going to get it. So they said, make it as real the experience as you can. So I went to a jewelry store down the road and I picked up, I saw a beautiful 5 carat cushion cut and it was very expensive, 10 times the amount that I had in my bank balance at that point. And I said, you know what, if I'm wearing this ring in 1 year's time, then really law of attraction works, because there's no way I can afford this ring on my own. And I came off home and every day it said, you know, just believe in every day, affirm and visualize. So I used to imagine me going into a party, holding my glass of wine, and my ring is getting all the compliments and everything. And it was very cute. It was very kiddish. It was a lot of fun. I really gamified the whole process. Under 1 month, Simply Shah, what happened was my grandfather, who had passed away 8 years before, had left some property to the 8 grandchildren that went into litigation that month, and each one of us got 50 lakhs. And because of that, I was able to go afford that ring. And I said, you know what, is this a coincidence, or is this something I've made happen? And then I started to challenge myself, because you know what, even if you get one such incident happen where you're able to believe in it a little more, then you just get on this whole cycle of I want to try again, I want to try again. And I started trying, and I remember at that point I wanted an office near my house, because I used to share my driver with my children and they used to take him off for school, for tuitions, and I never used to have the car and driver. So I said, you know what, I want my office to be so close that I should be able to walk it. And you won't believe it, I live in house number 20, my office is house number 6. That's how close we are. And so therefore at that point I realized, oh my God, I'm on to something. And then I kept doing different law of attraction theories and studies, and you know how to make, these were all materialistic things, then how to improve your relationships, how to attract friends. At one point I remember writing, I want to travel abroad with my friends. And then I joined a particular group where it was compulsory to travel twice a year with your friends. And I was like, how is this happening to me? And then of course there came a time where now I teach it, and I know now what is missing in The Secret. You know, there are a few steps they've shown, but there are a few steps that are missing. And once you understand those missing steps, Simply Shah, I can't even begin to tell you how beautifully me and my tribe have started to create a life of our dreams. This is just me giving you my examples. If I had to just give you example of the, you know, Team Life by Design. Team Life by Design has a lady called Rishita who attracted the exact guy that she wrote out. Team Life by Design has a lady called Radhika who's just now attracted a house in the same building that she lives, because she didn't want to go far away from her in-laws. Okay, I think I'm going to get so carried away, but my request to you is, start to at least open yourself up to even experimenting. Okay, if you don't have enough knowledge about how to do that, just come, give me 2 days of your life. Come for the masterclass 9:30 to 11:30 on Tuesday. Rather, give me 2 hours of your life. Let me show you the step-by-step process and allow me to take you on a journey so beautiful that you will be like, Pooja, why is this not taught in schools and colleges? Why did we wait this long? So you can see how passionate I am about law of attraction being a, not only law of attraction, there are 3-4 other laws. When they integrate, that's where the magic happens.